So welcome ulit guys sa ating channel and I hope okay lang kayong lahat and nakuha ninyo yung mga previous videos natin, yung mga tinuro ko sa inyo ng mga Bisaya words, and I hope na nagamit ninyo. And if ever na nagamit ninyo guys, please let me know down in the comment section kung ano ang feedback or what are the reactions ng mga partner ninyo. But anyways, in today's video, tuturuan ko kayo na kung paano manglambing in Bisaya, like the most common words na ginagamit natin for manglambing. You can use these words. These are common. So, the first one is sabay tayong kumain. Like for example, right? Kung LDR kayo or whatever, or nagvi-video call kayo, hindi man kayo LDR, maybe isang lugar lang kayo but hindi kayo magkasama sa isang bahay, isang bubong. So, you can use this one, right? Sabay tayong kumain. Like for example, habang nagvi-video call kayo, di ba? Sabay kayong kumakain. Yan yung lagi natin ginagawa, right? Kung ka-video call natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. So, sabay tayong kumain in Bisaya, dungan ta og kaon. Like, dungan ta og kaon, right? That's how you say it, okay? Dungan ta og kaon. You know, like, for example, kaon na ka or kumain ka na. Dungan ta og kaon. Kung wala pa, dungan ta og kaon. Kung hindi pa, sabay tayong kumain. So, that's how you use it. Second one is, for example, kung pagod na kayo, ilang oras na kayo na nagbi-video call or pagod kayo galing sa, I don't know, like kung naggumala kayo tapos nag-uwian na, uwian time, you can use this one, matulog ka na, right? Yun yung palagi natin sinasabi, matulog ka na. In Bisaya, ang usually ginagamit namin ito, tulog na uy, right? That's how we say it, tulog na uy. We use oy at the end of the sentence if ever. So matulog ka na, like matulog ka na, like tulog na uy, right? That's how you use it. So the third one na ituturo ko sa inyo is, like for example, pag nagtampo-tampuhan, right? So, syempre, I don't know. I'm not sure kung lalaki lang or babae, but usually nagtatampo-tampo, di ba? Minsan tapos sasabihin, hindi mo na ba ako mahal? Right? Yan yung ginagamit palagi na common na naririnig natin sa mga lovers. So, hindi mo na ba ako mahal? Parang confirmation, di ba? Palagi. So, ang Bisaya nito is, di na ba ako nimo palangga? So, that's how you say it. So, di na ba ako nimo palangga? So, same pa rin ng intonation. Kasi nga, syempre, question mark. Hindi mo na ba ako mahal? Di na ba ako nimo palangga? Diba? Parang kaartihan lang ba? Arti-arti, minsan, drama-drama. Para ibigin. Anyways, the next one is, miss na kita. Right? Miss na kita. Parang ganun. In Bisaya, it's, gimingaw na ko nimo. Right? That's how you say it. Gimingaw na ko nimo. Or sa text, or kung nag-video call kayo, audio call, tagal na natin din nakita, or dugay na kayo ta wala nakita, gimingaw na ko nimo, miss na kita, parang gano'n. So gimingaw na ko nimo or miss na kita, right? So the next one is that you can use as well is, like for example, pag umalis siya or I don't know, may gagawin siya, may gagawin ka din, so like for the sake of showing care sa mga partners ninyo, sasabihin nyo is, ingat ka, right? O sige, kahit anong gawin mo dyan, ingat ka. Parang ganun. Or kasan ka man, ingat ka. Right? But in Bisaya, you say, amping ka. Right? Or maybe you can just like use the word amping, same as in Tagalog, ingat. You don't have to use ka, right? So, ingat ka, or amping ka, or ingat, something like that. Or in Bisaya, it's amping. I believe I already taught this in my previous videos. If you guys haven't watched it yet, please watch it. Common phrases lang na ginagamit natin in Bisaya. And also, if ever guys, kung meron kayong mga gustong matutunan ng mga topics or words or whatever, leave it in the comment section lang. Huwag kayong mahiya, okay? And then, I will translate it for sure para sa inyo. Like, isisingit ko siya. Like, for example, if may topic akong gagawin, tapos nakita ko yung comments ninyo, isisingit ko siya. Although, hindi siya related sa topic, pero isisingit ko siya doon para aware kayo kung anong translation nito. So, if ever, pag nag-comment kayo in this video, expect kayo na gagawan ko ng translation on my next upload. So, if ever hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe guys. And if ever meron kayong kakilala na gustong maka-learn din ng Bisaya, refer them to my YouTube channel so that we can make a community. Tapos, makagawa tayo ng more content at the same time, more engagement. And I hope everyone are learning too. So, I'm open to suggestions as well. Kung meron kayong gusto i-suggest on how I do things, let me know as well. So whatever, use the comment section guys. But just be polite, right? Be respectful. Kasi andito lang naman tayo to learn. And as what I've said in my previous video, I'm not a teacher or something. So these are all my personal ideas or how I say it. kung paano ko sabihin. So, like for example, kung anong mga translation ko na binibigay sa inyo, that's how you say it. Like, yun yung ginagamit ko in everyday life because I'm a Bisaya, right? My wife is a Bisaya as well. But anyways, the last but not the least na ituturo ko sa inyo in this video is mahal na mahal kita. Yan yun always na naririnig natin, right? And hindi, I don't know, like hindi kompleto ang relationship kung wala ang word na to, right? So, usually ang naririnig natin is mahal kita, right? So, it's palangga tika. But in this word, mahal na mahal kita, so, ang in Bisaya, it's palangga jud kaayo tika. So, that's how you kind of like double the effect of the sentence. Kasi nga, hindi ako teacher. Okay. So, like for example, mahal na mahal kita, right? So, palangga kaayo tika. So, hindi mo sasabihin na palangga tika, right? Hindi ka tulad sa Tagalog na mahal kita. So, hindi siya palangga tika. No. You will say palangga kaayo. That's how in Bisaya, kaayo is like doubling the effect, right? Kaayo tika. Tika is ka, right? Tika. Palangga kaayo tika. Right? So, let's review the first one na tinuro ko sa inyo. Sabay tayong kumain. Dungan tawag kaon. Right? You can use that one. Common yan. So, ang tinuturo ko sa inyo is mga common na magagamit ninyo. Hindi yung parang official na wordings or like with verbs and whatever, something like that. Right? Na automatic nyo na maisip at magamit ninyo agad, right? Sa conversation. And then, the next one is matulog ka na. Right? So, tulog na oy. Right? That's how you say it in Bisaya. So, in number 3, hindi mo na ba ako mahal? So, in Bisaya, dili na ba ko nimo palangga? Right? But in Cebu, di na ba ko nimo palangga? So, di. So, watch my previous video as well. I explained it why. Because Cebu doesn't use the word L, right? So, it's silent L. So, instead of dili, it's di. Right? So, di na ba ko nimo palangga? Or dili na ba ko nimo palangga? In Bisaya, in general, it's dili na ba ko nimo palangga? Number 4, miss na kita. Gimingaw na ko nimo. Number 5, ingat ka. Amping ka. Or ingat, amping. Right? That's how you show your concern. Number 6, the last but not the least, mahal na mahal kita. Palangga kaayo tika. Again, palangga kaayo tika. So, I hope guys, in this video, meron kayong natutunan and I hope magamit ninyo sa daily conversation ninyo sa mga mahal ninyo sa buhay. And if ever you guys have topics na gustong nating i-translate, comment in the comment section, okay? Help me out. I'll see you guys on my next video and ingat kayo lagi. Amping.